Today I'm going to show you how to download and import SVG files into Cricut Design Space. First, head over to the website where you're going to download your files and click on the design that you want to use. I'm on poofycheeks.com today and I am downloading her free We Rise by Lifting Others. And you just simply enter your first name and your email address and click Download Cut Files. Then you'll go over to your email provider to grab the email that was automatically sent. In the email, I'm going to click the blue Download Cut File button and save the file to my computer. Next, I'm going to open that file, double click on it so that I can expand the zip file, and you'll see here is the SVG file. So now I'm going to open up Cricut Design Space and I'm going to go to Upload and I'm going to find that file I just saved on my computer. So I saved it in the Downloads folder and then I'm going to click on the SVG. And from here you'll click Save and Insert Images. And now you're ready to resize it and get it ready to cut. So if I'm going to make a screen printed t-shirt, I typically like to make mine about 9 3/4 wide for an adult size t-shirt. So I've got it sized. Now I am going to add an outside weeding box that makes it just a little bit easier to weed the design once it's cut. So I add a square and then I unlock the square so that I can adjust it to the size I need. And then I'm going to change the color so it's a little easier to see. And now I have it ready. I'm just going to align it all to the center. And once I have it set up, the final step is to attach the pieces so that they all cut on one sheet. So now that I've got it attached, I'm ready to start making it. Don't forget to mirror the design. I'm going to put the vinyl on the back of my screen, so I need it to mirror cut. So once you have it all set up, load up your Cricut and you are ready to cut. I'm going to choose vinyl as my material type since I'm cutting on Oracle 651. And now I'm going to head over to my Cricut machine and click on the flashing Cricut button. Once your machine has finished cutting the vinyl, you are ready to weed it and attach it to your screen to start screen printing.